So I've been on YouTube since 2005. That's when YouTube started. And I've seen channels start. They're like so far ahead of everyone else that they're trying to grow. They do 1,000 videos. And then the moment that it starts to take off, another channel just pops in. They're speaking to the audience and they just have more massive growth. This channel that just literally has been, leading the way. They're so legacy, and all this stuff that they have are disregarded because it's not a community driven. They're trying to push an idea instead of establish a community. Communities have to kind of exist, or you need to gather a community for it to really amp up. And so it can be done. I'm not saying that I would not do it, but if the point that I was going to get at is, if you're going to do it, go all in. I would go all VR. I would not even 100% go not VR. Like, own the VR space. Like, you can do that. I started with VR on YouTube about 4 years ago because I believe in it. And I think it's going to be an amazing experience. And so we're doing for all this real estate that's out there, but you gotta connect the way that people are going to engage. So the best people that would be engaging would people that have, VR. And those are the ones that you should cater to. I wouldn't worry about the people that don't have VR yet, unless you're in the tech space and you're saying, hey, this is really cool, but that'd be a different channel. I'd say go full immersive if you're going to go after it. That's a way to build a community because the community's already there. If that makes sense.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.